Hi guys, I'm here to show you the new Renee of Paris that I got. All right, it's in pastel blue and it's called Lennox. Here she is. So the pastel blue is very subtle blue, but it's very nice, and you can see the top there. Okay, it's got the lace front. It's not all the way over, but it's perfect amount, so you can still do the hair flippy. And then there's the little ear tabs. Now, they're a little different than the usual ones. You just pull on them and they tighten, which is fantastic. No clips that get pulled out. All right, let's stick this baby on. Check out that hairline. And see, still does the flip thing that you guys all know that I love. We got these beautiful wigs from Shaquelle, and Amanda at Shaquelle is fantastic. So fantastic, in fact, that we are going to be interviewing her on our next podcast. Stay tuned for that. Love you guys, and I love this wig.